In this lesson, we will be answering a question from the ALM Octane user discussion forum about defect and its relation. So there is a question on the discussion forum if a defect relationship to other defects can be reported on, if this is possible to create a report or any kind of queries just in order to look for duplicate defects and its related original defects. So this is being asked here. So let's see how this can be done in ALM Octane. Let's go to the defect module in the issues. And now we can see we are in the defect module, and let's pick up one defect which is a duplicate. So we can see here email sent out as activation are marked as spam is a duplicate. So let's go in and see if there's a relation. So there is a relation to a defect, and this is a trace from relation, means the original defect is tracing this defect, which is correct from the interpretation, as this defect is a duplicate. And if we go to this original defect, we will see that the other defect is currently fixed. So this is probably what I would like to query or filter on. So let's see how this can be done. So there are different possibilities to do it. I think the simplest one is directly here to add a filter. And the filter can be added on the backlog item, which is a related entity. Here we can go to the fields. So this is the icon for showing all the fields of related entities. And we can look now for the phase, and phase should be equal to duplicate. Or if you would like to track also on rejected one which are linked, then you can do so. So let's say OK. And now you can see that Octane has filtered me all the defects which has a related entity in phase duplicate. And basically the duplicate phase is only available for defects. And here I can basically see all the different defects which have a related entity in phase duplicate. I can also show the name of the entity by displaying the backlog items field here. At the backlog items field, and you can see here that this is the name of the duplicate entity. So I can go in and see here that this defect where I'm currently on, so the original defect is tracing to the duplication, to the duplicate defect. So this is basically what you can do, and for sure these capabilities are also in the dashboard module. In order you want to create a report and would like to see only defects which have duplicates, in what status they are, so this can be done as well. So let's go to the dashboard module. Here let's add a chart, a custom chart quickly. So let's say defects with duplicates. Now say it's a defect, you can add here if you want releases, just to have the release assignment covered as well. And now do the same on the backlog items, go for the phase and select the phase duplicate. So now we are looking for all the defects which are linked to defects in phase duplicate. And now I can say here in which phase the current defects are, and let's say what the priority is. So we can say here we have the priority, and then next. And basically this is what it comes up with. I have here 3 defects which are linked to duplicates and they are in state open, and 2 defects which are linked to duplicates which are in state fixed. So this is an easy way to report on defect relation based on the different attributes which are provided by ALM Octane.